Welcome my dear students for online class from Adhan English Center for the SSC students on English second paper. Today's topic changing sentence Dinaspur Board 2019. Dear students, now I am going to discuss Dinaspur Board 2019. Each sentence one by one according to the rules of changing sentence I will discuss. Dear students, going to next step. Dinaspur Board 2019. Read the text and change the sentences as directed. Success never comes automatically. Success never comes automatically. Question number A. We work hard to attain success in our life. We work hard to attain success in our life. We work hard. Dear students, we work hard to attain success in our life. Complex. You have to change it to complex. Dear students, question. Is this sentence simple or compound? Can you identify? You have guessed. This sentence is simple because there is a 2 plus b1 in this sentence. 2 plus b1. If you find the 2 plus b1 in the simple sentence, you have to come 2 plus you have to come so that in the complex sentence. The students, in this sentence, we work hard, principal clause, to attain success in our life, infinitive phrase. The students, 2 plus b1. Firstly, you have to write subject work hard. Subject we work hard. You have to write we work hard firstly. And then you have to set up so that instead of 2. The students, you can write work, hard, hard. The students, firstly, I wrote, we work hard, and then you have to set so that SOTACT, so that instead of 2. The students, after so that, the structure is subject plus can, could, may, might. Subject can, could, may, might. After so that, subject plus can, could, may, oblige, might, plus b1 plus ext. Yes, students, you have to make the structure subject. You have to make the sentence subject can, could, may, might. You can ask me a question, sir, how can I use can or may? Exactly, dear students. It is a good question. Can, sure, being surely, you can use can. Being indefinite, you can use may. Dear students, if it is sure, you can use can. If it is unsure, you can use may. Exactly, you have stood can or may. You can use can or may. So dear students, we work hard. I have written till this. We work hard. And then you have to set up so that the students, so that after so that you have to use this structure: subject, can, could, may, might plus V1 plus extension. So dear students, subject, you have to use subject, you have to bring subject from the principal clause. The students, we work hard is principal clause, and you have to bring, you have to use subject we. I can write WUE. The students, as we know, it is sure, so we can use can, CA and can. And then you have to use, you have to set up after to, you have to set up next part of this sentence after to. Next part, attain success in our life after to. I can write ATTAIN, attain, SUCCESS, success in OUR, our LIFE. I hope, dear students, you have stood and you can apply, you will apply the rules, and you can make, you can change into complex to simple. This was going to next step. Question number B. Peace and prosperity. Peace মানে সুখ আর prosperity মানে সমৃদ্ধি. Peace and prosperity is not possible without being industrious. Is not possible, সম্ভব নয়, without being industrious মানে পরিশ্রম ব্যতীত সুখ এবং সমৃদ্ধি সম্ভব নয়. Dear students, you have to change affirmative to negative. Dear students, negative to affirmative. Dear students, you have guessed this sentence is negative. You have to change into affirmative. So dear students, question: is auxiliary verb in this sentence? Yes, dear students, auxiliary verb here is, it is auxiliary verb. So Then not is used after auxiliary verb. Not. You have to cut. You have to cut not while affirmative. And there is a keyword in this sentence. There is a keyword in this sentence. The keyword is possible. You have to change into antonyms. Possible, impossible. Possible, impossible. Dear students, question number B you can write. P-E-A-C-E, peace, A-N-D, and P-R-O-S, P-E-R-I-T-Y, prosperity, I-S-S. So dear students, not you have to cut, not you have to cancel not, because you have to change into affirmative. So dear students, possible, here possible is keyword. Here possible, keyword. You have to change into antonyms from this word. This antonyms, possible, impossible. So dear students, you can write impossible, I-M-P-O-S-I-B-L-E, impossible, W-I-S-S, impossible, W-I-T-H-O-U-T, without, B-E-I-N-G, being, I-N-D-U-S-T-R-I-O-U-S, industrious. I hope you have understood this sentence. Dear students, going to next step. A man who leads an idle life brings misery for his life. A man who leads an idle life brings misery for his life. You have to change into simple. Dear students, a man who, dear students, who, this is our tools. Who. Question, is this sentence complex or compound? Dear students, you have identified this sentence is complex because a conjunction, there is a conjunction in this sentence, who. Conjunction is who. Dear students, while changing into simple in this sentence, you have to come V1 plus ing because two principal verbs, there are two principal verbs in this sentence. Leads, the students notice leads. Another principal verb, brings. So, dear students, while simple, you have to use tools V1 plus ing. Question number C. The students, a man, you have to cut who, and a man is subject. A man is subject in this sentence, and you have to cut who, and you have to change, you have to make beyond plus ing, you have to add beyond plus ing, cut s, cutting s, cutting s. The students, firstly, uh, a, the students, a man, you have to bring, principal clause as subject. The students, a man, you have to bring, brings principal verb before principal verb. So the students, firstly you can write LEAD. The student lead, s, you have to cut s and add ing with this verb. Add ing with this verb. Lead, leading. LEADING, leading. Beyond plus ing. It has been beyond plus ing. Leading. N IDLE, idle, LIFE, life. An idle life, you have to use comma. Dear students, you have to use subject, a man, and man, and you have to set up the next part of this sentence. Brings, next part, brings misery for his life. Brings misery for his life. BRINGS, brings. MISERY, misery. for HISIS LIFE. The students, notice the meaning of this sentence in Bengali. Leading an idle life, একটি অলস জীবন পরিচালনা করে। এ ম্যান ক্যান মানে একজন মানুষ, এ ম্যান একজন মানুষ, ব্রিং মানে আনে, মিজারি মানে দুঃখ কষ্ট, ফর ইজ লাইফ তার জীবন। অর্থাৎ একটি অলস জীবন পরিচালনা করে একজন মানুষ তার জীবনে দুঃখ কষ্ট আনে। Dear students or viewers, it has been changed into simple to complex. From complex, going to next step. Dear students, question number D. It is very interesting and easy. Active to passive. Dear students, this sentence is active and you have to change into passive. Firstly, you have to identify subject, in auxiliary verb, principal verb, and object. And you have to bring object as subject. Firstly, dear students, question, auxiliary verb is auxiliary verb in this sentence. Any auxiliary verb, is any auxiliary verb in this sentence? Yes, my dear students, auxiliary verb, there is an auxiliary verb, can. There is an auxiliary verb in this sentence, can. The students, can. And this is modal auxiliary verb. So, modal auxiliary verb, subject is used before modal auxiliary verb. And this is principal verb, never adverb. But help is principal verb. Principal verb is used after modal auxiliary verb. Principal is used after auxiliary verb, and then object is used after principal verb. So the people of the society is object. The students, firstly you have to bring the people of the society in the sentence. Firstly you have to write the people of the society in the sentence. Active to passive. I can write question number D. TAC, the means the. PEOPLE, people of the SOCIETY, society. The students, next step, auxiliary verb. You have to use auxiliary verb. You have to set up auxiliary verb after subject, according to subject. The students, here auxiliary verb can. You can use can. You can set up can. CAN, can. And notice, the students, according to the rules of voicings, can is modal auxiliary. So extra word is used after modal auxiliary verb. Extra word be is used after modal auxiliary verb. The students, be, you can set up be. Students, please, never, you can set up next never, NEVE, or never, and then you can use be. Can never be. And you can use or set up B3 from B1, help. The students, notice helped. You can use or set up helped. ACLPED. And then you have to set up preposition by. How to use by? How can use by? Preposition by. The students, subject, it is personal subject. If it is personal subject, you have to use by. The students, he is personal subject. So you have to use by. So you can use by, by, and then you have to set up subject. You have to set up object from subject. The students, he, here subject he. You have to set up object. He, him. HIM. The people of the society can never be helped by him. The student is going to next step. Everybody efforts him. Everybody efforts him. Such a kind of man, এরূপ একজন লোক, is the burden on the society. সমাজের বোঝা, সমাজের উপরে বোঝা। Everybody efforts him, প্রত্যেকে তাকে ঘৃণা করে। The students, notice this sentence. This sentence is affirmative, and you have to change into negative. The students, here there is a keyword in this sentence, ever, and you can change into negative two ways. দুটি উপায়। You can change into negative two ways. Firstly, you have to change into negative. You have to change everybody, you have to set up nobody instead of everybody. You have to set up everybody, you have to set up nobody instead of everybody firstly. Question E, the students, you can write firstly nobody, because nobody, everybody, antonyms nobody. Nobody. Dear students, adverse keyword, here adverse keyword, you have to sense, you have to set up antonyms from this word. Adverse antonyms laugh. You can use laughs. L-O-V-E-S, laughs. H-I-M. You can use next part of this sentence, him. Or another formula you can use, dear students, there is a tools, every plus noun. This formula, there is formula every plus noun. If you find in a sentence every plus noun, you have to apply, you have to apply, you can apply, you can apply, there is no dot dot but, there is no dot dot but, or there is no dot dot who plus negative. Students, I can use easy rules here. I can use easy rules here. Or TACRE, there is NOBODY. BUT, but, there is nobody but. ABHORS, efforts, there is nobody but efforts. Firstly, you have to use there is nobody instead of everybody, and then you have to set up body, no body, there is no body, no plus noun, so you have to know there is nobody, there is nobody but efforts life, and you have to set up but, this student but, and you can write, you have to write next part of this sentence, there is no sense, HIM. Or you can use this formula, TACRE, there is NOBODY, and then you have to set who, you have to set HO who, WHO who, you have to set up who, and then you have to sense negative. Efforts, the students, S, the students, if you B1 plus S, you have to does not, you have to set does not, DOES, does, NOT, does not, and you have to cut S from this verb, effort, ABHOR, HIM. You can sense in this way. So my dear students, this formula is very easy, and if you do not antonyms this word from this word, from antonyms, so in the field of you can use this formula, and it is very easy. So, my dear students, if you do not subscribe my channel still, if you do not still subscribe my channel, now subscribe my channel, and so that you can any video with the education, any video. So dear students, like if you like my if you like my video, like my teaching, you will share, you must share, you must subscribe, you must like it. So dear students, I have discussed every sentence according to the rules of changing sentence. I hope you have stood well, and if you remain any question, you can ask me. If you do not understand the rules, any rules of this sentence, you can ask me in my comment box. See you next time. Have a good day till this. Thank you very much.